Ruhonge rwa kuramata urimi wa macani KTDA ni rwiritheirie arimi a macani guku bururi-ini ati ni rwambikite mibango ya gwetha thoko makiria cia macani nja wa bururi ikinya riria ritanyitwo kuongerera mbeca mihuko-ini ya arimi.
That value added tea must find a market, and therefore we are working on this and we are happy that we're in line with the government on this issue, and therefore we are looking at how we can value add and get a market.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro muikariri giti wa ruhonge ruru Chege Kirundi augite ona magikinyanagiria mibango eno ateti makoretwo mari muhinga munene kuona makoretwo makingirira sekta eno.
Anybody who is not in tea business to seek advice from those ones in tea business, so that as he speaks or as she speaks from the knowledge position, not to mislead the tea growers.
Chege ni oriti ateti mekirire guthugunda mawatho maria maguteithiriria na kugitira murimi wa macani niguo maamukire mbeca makiria.
We have heard from people not coming from the tea area have been misleading. So we would ask that whoever wants to talk about tea business, please consult.
Ihinda-ini riu Chege ni areganite na riendekithia ria kunyihanyihia namba ya arugamiriria matinga ma macani kuma 6 nginyanagia arugamiriria 3.
How do you rearrange the boundaries? The farmers are already accustomed to 6, and they elect 6 directors from their electoral areas. That is contentious. We do believe that with the turnovers that are with these factories, there's a need to retain the number 6. But the parliament has the final say on this.
Kuhana uguo arimi aya ni meritheirio kunyagirio fertilizer gatagati-ini ka mweri wa 6 na 7 mwaka uyu kurumirira mogaruruku meru maria magathikitwo magutigirira arimi ni makinyirwo ni fertilizer ihinda-ini riria riagiriire hatari gucerithirio ta uria kwanakorwo hau kabere.
I want to inform all tea growers that this year we are hoping that we'll be able to bring the fertilizer on time in the month of June, July. And we are working towards this particular target. And we think that whatever we are doing will achieve that target.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.